H620 Installation and Operation Guide. This is our 620 and the reagent. Let's check what's inside. The main unit, user menu, power cord, printer paper, and the correction test box. Let's install the printer paper. Please pay attention to the sides. And connection the power cord. We can power on the machine. Input the password for users 1000. Open box. Now we can test the correction box first. If shows test is a success, it means the machine is okay, ready for test the real sample. Now let's test the real sample. This is the reagent. This is the reagent part and the mirror box. We can insert the box first. Then we can shake the reagent. We need to use our finger to fold the two sides of the reagent box. Now let's take the sample. Use the reagent box to take it. Please pay attention. This side is in the front. Then we just need to wait. Here show the two results. The left side is the HbA1c and the right side is the EAG. Test finish.